Huawei will release a new Nova 14.
What's up friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.
The coming smartphone of the company will be a high-end phone. There will be some unique features of the phone that will make it stand out. The smartphone will get a chipset of Kirin 5G, which is the most powerful chipset. And to give more power to this phone, there will be an octa-core processor to make the phone ultra fast. From the front side, there will be a LTPO OLED touchscreen display with 6.76 inches size that produces a high resolution of 1224 by 2776 pixels and a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. There will be 12 GB of RAM and the internal storage capacity will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. The smartphone will be got an under-display optical fingerprint reader.
Battery will be massive one,
ensuring that it can spend the entire day with a fast charging support. Smartphone will run with Harmony OS. Smartphone will come with a satellite connectivity.
Other notable features: dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6 and stereo speakers. It comes with a IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. That's all for now and thanks for watching.